Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very much for your interest today to come talk with me with regards to our announcement today. So today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the news that we have for our sensor business, specifically at this event at FTF China. We are announcing a new family of our accelerometers, three-axis device focusing on miniaturization, low power consumption, and lower cost. So we've had a long history of accelerometers, and we now have a new generation of even smaller and high performance products. I probably should have started with an introduction first. My name is Wayne Chavez. I am the operations manager, director for the consumer business inside our censored organization inside Freescale. So as you know, if you know Freescale, Freescale is a very technology-rich company. We try to bring the complete system solution to our customers. And as part of that, we mainly are an embedded processing company. However, we have complementary technologies that provide a sense, compute, and control type of mindset for the entire system solutions. Today, I'll be speaking to you about the sensing side of the solution. Certainly, as our Freescale strategy is aligned to the key megatrends in the industry, the going green, health and safety, and connected intelligence. And our sensors actually participate in each one of these segments, and you'll see that in the upcoming material. As you can see in this graphic, it's a very connected world. We live with many of our devices, the mobile phones, the tablets, your PC. It's a very connected world. And sensors plays a big portion in that as well. You can see that we try to connect the person, your device, and the environment together through your mobile devices or personal gateway into the internet services or the cloud services. So sensors actually brings these types of sense or context awareness and into your devices. As an example, in the mobile phone space, there's been dramatic growth in tablets and smartphones. Everybody sees this all the time. Many smartphones now taking hold. The growth has been extremely high. But part of that growth also, it consumes more and more sensor content. 4 years ago, very few phones only had maybe accelerometer. Today, they have accelerometer, magnetometer, gyro, maybe even a pressure sensor as well, ambient light sensor, other things. So the growth in sensors has been phenomenal in the mobile handset space. Today we're going to focus the discussion only on the accelerometer portion of this high growth segment. Here, previous slide was to provide more affordable solutions through reuse of existing technologies and cost optimization. So as the growth happens, so does the pressure for cost reduction, also the pressure for miniaturization and size, form factor. So this is where we focus today's announcement. So in general, our portfolio strategy has many layers, right? It starts with a very basic layer of transducers. This is the actual physical measurement, whether that's pressure, magnetic, inertial, etc. We start from this base layer, and we build the intelligence into the devices with algorithms and logic. For example, your portrait landscape on your phone where the picture rotates, auto rotation, orientation. Ultimately, we provide a sensing system with some of our more advanced products. But Freescale actually provides a full tier of solutions from the basic to the very complex. Today, we will be talking mostly about a sensor that fits right here. So our portfolio is focused on three major components: performance, ensuring that we have a broad portfolio, and system solutions. In performance, we focus on accuracy, which means low noise, high sensitivity or resolution, low offset, etc. We also focus on power consumption. This is extremely important at the system level, and we provide interesting features like data management, like a FIFO, for example, to help the performance of the system. The broad portfolio really talks about how we bring our sensors like today, like the 3-axis accelerometer, and also combine that with our magnetometers to make a good solution. So a broad portfolio. And the system solutions is the software and other support that we bring together to solve the customer's problems. For example, the full e-compass solution that uses the accelerometer as well as the magnetometer. So what is the solution? What is the news today? So the news today is focused on our 3-axis accelerometer, and the major component of the news is the dimensions. 2 millimeters on each side, 2 by 2 millimeter, less than 1 millimeter thick. So today is the main stream product is 3 by 3. This is 9 square millimeters, now reducing to 4 square millimeters. So a 56% reduction in form factor size. So we progress to a smaller size, but yet we remain with very good performance, very good offset and sensitivity accuracy, as well as very good noise performance as well. So we maintain very high performance. The product portfolio includes both 10-bit and 12-bit versions of the device. The low noise is still 150 microG per root hertz. For this class of product, this is benchmark performance. And we provide less than 7 microamps of low power consumption on this product. We can do this because the architecture itself is very efficient. Very efficient so that we can get maximum reuse from the transducers. The transducer here is the one that provides X, Y, and Z output. But in many of these blocks are all reused from our current portfolio that's 3 by 3 that's already the lowest noise benchmark, lower power. So we're able to come to market very quickly with experience, very positive experience, very high growth rate on our 3 by 3 accelerometer, and now we're able to go quickly into a 2 by 2. So again, to summarize some of the features, more than 56% package size reduction, right? So it helps with PCB layout. We get the benefit of our MEMS transducer technology to ensure that we get the lower size. We have very good application feature sets that include at the highest end some integrated features for low power and data management. And 96 more power saving modes as well. And if you look at some of the integrated features, the Smart FIFO allows the system to be even smarter. This feature here is not available in the market by anybody else, and there's only 2 others producing 2 by 2. Today we talk about this product, but this product is the 2 by 2 device with many good features, but it is basically reused from this product, which is very successful in the market today. So this is a 3-axis accelerometer. We also have another 3-axis accelerometer focused on low power, and we also include 6-axis sensor and magnetometer. So we have a broad portfolio. The magnetometer here plus this makes a very good e-compass. Having the magnetometer and the 2 by 2 accelerometer gives us the ability to provide an e-compass functionality to our customers. Okay. The applications that we expect this device to be targeted for, certainly smartphones. Now, many of the smartphones are starting to go with more integrated solutions. However, many customers like the 2 by 2 small form factor because it's thin, it's small, and they want to be able to have the freedom to place the device anywhere that's available on their board. So discrete components still have a lot of value to give maximum flexibility to our customers. So that's smartphones. Similarly, tablets, they kind of go together. This one has a little bit more room than this one to form factor, so the 2 by 2 size is not necessarily as important, but many of the manufacturers of smartphones also make tablets, so they like to have the same components. The digital still cameras here and remote controls, these are 2 areas here that have high potential for a 2 by 2 because the compact size is really a good benefit. From a software development experience standpoint, Freescale provides tools as well and software to support the product. Today we have an e-compass software solution that we have customers using today, You can evaluate in terms of our demos. I invite you to come to the Tech Lab and see the demonstration of our eCompass solution. It does the tilt compensation, soft iron and hard iron calibration. The accelerometer really performs this function here for the compass, tilts it. From a driver perspective, we have full range of drivers, including Android drivers for the device, and also Windows 8. Windows 8 implementation has started on our portfolio and is now extended to include this device as well. So when you work with Freescale, you also get not just the hardware, but you get a evaluation system, you get the software to support it as well. So again, extension of the tools perspective, we have what we call our sensor toolbox. It's a very convenient way to simply evaluate. It's plug and play into your PC. So a quick way to evaluate the product, and it comes in a bundle, and it's a common platform so you can evaluate the new device that we have today or other devices as well in a common format. Thank you very much for your time this afternoon. I hope you enjoy the technology forum, and I hope you have a good afternoon.